Far from the maddening crowd of the metropolis, the scene was set close to the Arabian Sea at Beach Luxury Hotel, where Karachites converged to attend the 4th edition of Italian Design Day. Aim of the event was to create a network of connections between Italian and foreign architects, designers, entrepreneurs, academics, and specialized journalists. On the same day, in 100 cities around the world, 100 lectures and discussions took place simultaneously. The event was part of the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs strategy that seeks to promote Italy's cultural and economic system. Speaking on the occasion, Consul of Italy said,
I'm the new Consul of Italy. I've arrived here a month and a half ago. Me and my wife were splendidly welcomed by the Karachi and by the Italian community. We found Karachi a vibrant city, rich in history and culture, full of life and opportunities, with clever businessmen, learned civil servants, and inventive artists. We take advantage of the Italian Design Day, the annual theme-based event launched in 2017 by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, in cooperation with the Italian Ministry of Cultural Heritage and Tourism. Italian Design Day, that has now reached its 4th edition, has established itself over the years as an effective instrument aimed at promoting Italian design and the internationalization of a strategic export sector for Italy. Every year, to mark the occasion, 100 different testimonials became the narrators of Italian design and creativity throughout the rest of the world. The 4th edition of Italian Design Day is taking place in more than 100 cities around the world and focus this year on drawing the future, development, innovation, sustainability, beauty. Italian design has always proved successful in achieving this objective: creative ability, a powerful sense of aesthetics, the quality of materials and production processes, the influence of local culture. These are all the features that have made Italian design one of the most renowned and appreciated symbols of image and lifestyle of Italy. But Italian design has never been limited just to the production of beautiful forms. It has also concentrated on the ability to build relationships between the products and the users. And this attitude towards functionality has made our way of designing understandable and appreciated today throughout the rest of the world.
In his closing remarks, Commissioner Karachi stated,
I would like to welcome Mr. Danilo Giordanella and Mrs. Danilo Giordanella to Karachi. And I would say people like you and the presentations which were made by Michelle and Roberta, I think they were wonderful, and if we really learn the lessons from what they have said, and of course this presentation by our young graduate from the Indus Valley about how to make Karachi a safe city and a smart city, I think we really, and I believe a lot of Karachiites are listening to me, that I always tell that to many of my audiences, and when I'm talking to them, whether they are the young people, the Karachi elite, the people from the middle class, all the people of the Karachi, that you have to own this city.